This is how it was back in the day.
What about a wall?
With the where the hell did you just get a fire burning sword, bro? What the fuck?
Bukas.
It's
Bukas.
just sand, and now it's glass.
Window.
Tinitikom mo yung bibig mo, ha? Pag ayaw mo ng pagkain, ha? Bukas.
Science.
Oo, bukas.
Yeah, how do you think the
Ah.
light first got invented, bro? Like, how do you even think
Tinitikom
of
mo yung
that
pagkain
to
mo.
burn
Ay,
sand?
pag tinitikom mo yung bibig mo, ha? Marunong ka na magtikom, ha? No. Kain.
It's me?
Kain.
Oh, now it's in pieces. Where are you going to use it now? Where?
Oh my gosh. It's
Saging
invented like
yan.
3 things already, bro.
Saging.
The window, glasses,
Marunong ka na, asus.
You're a genius.
Oh, grasses. Oh my
Marunong
God.
ka na mag-inarte, ha? Marunong
This
ka na, ha?
whole video is making my brain go crazy because nobody's understanding what they're saying, but yet they're coming up with new inventations. Like I said, inventations, inventions, not invitations. Stupid. Anyways, yeah. So this is how
Marunong ka
everything
na.
is invented, bro.